a really die-hard fan of volleyball?
Yes.
I really are a die-hard fan of volleyball.
Not really.
Are you really a die-hard fan of volleyball?
Actually, hindi gaano. Kumbaga, ginagawa ko lang siya during my spare time or day off.
And how old are you when you start playing volleyball?
Since I was my elementary days, I think I'm 13 years old.
How old are you when you start playing volleyball?
I'm 14.
How old are you when you start playing volleyball?
I think it was way back 2018 or 2019.
I see. Oh, who encourages you to play?
Actually, my friends, kasi a lot of them played volleyball and actually na-encourage din ako nun kasi parang sobrang ano din siya ng oras na ako palipas din. Who encouraged you to play?
My family.
Who encouraged you to play volleyball?
Well, it's for the relations of my school year, so my teachers joined me in that team.
Have you experienced joining the league or a team?
No. Have you experienced joining the league?
No.
And have you experienced joining the league in volleyball?
Yeah, elementary and high school.
What is your position as a player when you back in your time?
I was there. What is your position as a player?
Spiker.
What is your position as a player?
I'm a server, I think, and as far as I know, and yeah, that's all I know.
Do you have knowledge on officiating volleyball?
No.
Do you have any knowledge on officiating in volleyball?
Not really. Maybe if I can have in a scale of 10, it might be 5.
And as a beginner player, what do you think are the most important skills in volleyball?
For me, first, knowledge, and then last, unity of the group or the team.
Okay, last question. What do you think are the most important skills in volleyball?
I think it should be unity as well, and most important, you have to be knowledgeable about your sports.
Okay, thank you.
Do you have knowledge on officiating in volleyball?
No.
What do you think are the most important skills in volleyball?
Knowledge.
Are you really a die-hard fan of volleyball?
Yeah,
How old are you when you start playing volleyball?
12 or 11. I don't know.
Okay. Who encourages you to play?
My cousin Kuya Zach and my sister, older sister.
Have you experienced joining the league or a team?
Yeah, when it was our intrams last month.
What is your position as a player?
Receiver.
I see. Do you have knowledge on officiating volleyball?
Yes, because our PE teacher taught us knowledge about volleyballs.
Okay. Last question. What do you think are the most important skills in volleyball?
Service and receiving. Because without those two, your game will be boring and it won't be as active.
Thank you for your wonderful answers.